Hi, and welcome to InstantGMP's bin location video. Bin locations allow for quick tracking and traceability of raw or produced material locations. You can track your incoming materials as well as any in-house manufactured WIPs and finished goods. Bin locations are numbered and named static locations for materials in your facility or multi-facility company. Each bin location must be assigned a facility and a room. Make sure you have facilities and rooms set up in InstantGMP's setup menu. To change the location of a material, navigate to Material Management in the main menu. Operators may access the bin location screen by selecting the receipt number of a material and then selecting the Change Location button at the bottom of the screen. Just as many rooms may be assigned a facility, many bin locations can be assigned to a single room. To change the location of a material in the system, select the facility, the room, and then the bin. Applying your digital signature confirms the change, which can then be seen in the material management log for that material. The location and use information for the changes made will also appear on reports that can be exported to Excel or PDF. Within these reports, operators can choose whether they want to look for something within a facility, a room, or in a specific bin. In addition, operators may search by the dates the location was changed. InstantGMP is proud to announce that we're also working on many other features that are related to bin locations and materials. You can visit us online at instantgmp.com for more info. And as always, thanks for watching.